as you can see the command here in my screen, this is the command that we use to call the ECG file in MATLAB. And then we will write the command for the time domain plot, which we will plot the graph of the ECG signal. We run the simulation and we will get the graph right here on my right side of the screen. After that, we will do the sampling of the ECG signal. So for the first part of the sampling, we did the discrete time domain plot signal, and then we run the simulation. We will get the graph on my left side. As you can see right here, this is the discrete time domain plot of ECG signal, 60 Hz. And for the second part of the sampling, we will do the frequency domain plot. We run the simulation and then we will get the graph on my left side, on my right side. So this is the frequency domain plot of our ECG signal. The third part of the sampling is we will normalize frequency graph of frequency domain. Let's see how the graph looks like. So this is the normalized frequency graph of frequency domain right here. And the last part of the sampling is that we do the discrete frequency domain plot. And we run the simulation and we get the graph of the discrete frequency domain plot. This is the graph of the discrete frequency domain plot. After we have done our sampling, and then we will do the DTFT to transform from time domain to frequency domain. Let's take a look at the frequency domain plot of our ECG signal. There you go. This is the magnitude and the phase. After we have changed from time domain to frequency domain, we will apply the filter through the MATLAB right here. We will choose the low pass FIR filter, and it will go auto run the simulation. After it's done the auto run, we can change the parameter that we want, 0.4, and then we can choose the display filter response that we want. So for this first response, I wanted to display the impulse response of the design FIR filter, low pass FIR filter. And there you go, this is the impulse response of our FIR filter. And then we can also display the magnitude and phase of our FIR filter and the whole zero plot of the FIR filter. So the graph of it will display here. So this is our magnitude and phase of the FIR filter. This one is the impulse response plot of our FIR filter, and this is the pole zero plot of our FIR filter. After that, we also apply the filter, but this time we use the IIR type of filter, low pass IIR filter, and it will auto run and we need to wait. So after that, we will change according to our suitable response that we want, and we will display the magnitude and phase of the IIR filter and the pole zero plot of the IIR filter. As you can see, on the graph of my right side here, this is the magnitude and phase plot of our IIR filter, and this is the impulse response of the IIR filter, and the last one is the pulse and zero plot of our IIR filter. And last but not least, we can see that the filter of the ECG signal after we do the FIR filter and IIR filter. So this is the graph right here.